Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to add view shop button on Instagram. So if you're interested, let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to guarantee that you have the latest updates installed in your phone. So you want to go open up Google Play Store here and you want to go to search and just type in Instagram. Now, if you do see an update button on the Instagram app here, you want to make sure that they install that. Go ahead and click on update. And once the update is complete, you could go ahead and basically open up Instagram. Let's go and open it up. Now, from here, we want to change a few things in our account. So at the bottom right of your screen, you want to click on your profile. Now, in here, what we need to do first is you need to make sure that your business is established. So that includes you filling up all the necessary details. So that includes going to the steps here, set up your professional account at the very top here, and just basically follow the steps that you'll be seeing. Now, another thing that you need to make sure here is you need to have a significant number of followers in order for you to access it. Again, you need to be an established business in order for Instagram to notice, or in order for you to have that feature to add a shop button. But yeah, so you can go and click on professional dashboard here. And typically, if you're already a established business on Instagram here, you should see an option here that says add shop or shop, which allows you to basically add the shop button on Instagram. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.